Wow, PayPal is refreshing their credit card and it looks amazing. So let's talk about it. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. Alright, so for those of you who like to earn this and who want to earn more of this, then the newly revamped PayPal Cashback MasterCard might just become your new favorite credit card of 2022 and beyond. And the reason for this is quite simple. It was already a great 2% cashback credit card with no caps or limits or specific categories, and there was also no annual fee. However, there was a brief period of time during which you could not apply for the card because applications were dead for a little bit. And the reason for that is PayPal/Synchrony, who issues the card, were together working on a card refresh. But for all of us on the other end, we had no idea if that was going to be a true upgrade or a downgrade. But I'm absolutely thrilled to announce that we are in for an upgrade to this card, so let's go over the press release, which just came out today on the 5th of April 2022, to see what it's all about. Let's begin with the title. PayPal introduces new cashback credit card to make checkout with PayPal even more rewarding. Coming to you straight out of San Jose, California, PayPal today announced the introduction of the new PayPal Cashback credit card issued by Synchrony, which gives customers even more cash back when they shop with PayPal. With the new card, customers can earn unlimited 3% cash back when paying with PayPal at checkout, online, mobile, or in-store with PayPal QR code where eligible, and unlimited 2% cashback on all other purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. So if you decide to get this card, then you'll be able to use it and earn 3% cashback with no upper limit on those earnings anytime you use PayPal as the checkout/payment method. If that's not available, or if you can't use it for some reason, then using the card will still earn you 2% cashback, again, unlimited, no cap there, on everything else that you buy. Now, like most press releases, there's a bunch of fluff and quotes in there as well, so we'll skip over some of the stuff and go right to the details. I'm going to highlight the important parts as we go along here. So the new card has no annual fee, no category restrictions, and can be added to a customer's PayPal wallet for easy, fast, and secure checkout. And that's great. So as long as you hold the card, it will not cost you anything to have it, even if you're not using it very much, because there's no annual fee. You won't have to worry about which category to spend in. For example, that's my dining card, that's my online shopping card, that's my grocery store card. This is just your flat rate. Use it for everything all the time if you want one card to earn you a lot of simple rewards, or if you do have to use a multi-card setup, use this one, the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, wherever there's a non-bonus category spend purchase. So for example, if you buy, pay for your insurance or do some online shopping and you don't have another card that earns more than 1 or 2% on that, then consider pulling out the PayPal card for those specific use cases, because that way the base rate on all the non-bonus spend will be better than you would get with any other card that would normally earn just your base rate of 1%. Up next, we have this Discover What's New section here, which kind of goes on to the card plus some additional features that PayPal has rolled out very recently here. So the first bullet point, a smarter way to pay with PayPal. We did mention that earlier, so you can earn rewards while shopping online via mobile app or in store. And I'll show you some screenshots of those 3 distinct experiences here after we go through the press release. That way you can take these words and see what it will look like in the real world if you decide to get this card and use it. Bullet point number 2, better app and desktop experience. The PayPal Cashback credit card offers customers a new user interface within the PayPal app and on the web, delivering a simplified and more integrated way to access rewards, manage purchases, and make payments. And if you haven't logged into the PayPal app in a while now, definitely download it, sign back into your account, or create one totally for free and check it out. Easily redeem rewards and make money go further. So now let's see what type of redemption options that we have with this new cashback card from PayPal. In addition to earning more cash back when checking out with PayPal, customers can access rewards every day. Let me highlight that specifically. That is awesome right there. Without having to wait for a monthly statement cycle, because usually when you use any other credit card, airline, hotel, general flexible point cards, you've got to wait for your full billing cycle, typically a 30-day cycle, to complete or close, and then you issue your rewards. But if this card is going to issue rewards every day, that sounds pretty darn incredible. I like that because, again, the amount of wait time that you've got to do to even transfer money from one account to another, one bank to another, redeem your credit card rewards and earn them, oftentimes can be delayed, in my opinion, unnecessarily. But yeah, there are fraud checks and all that stuff that have to be, take place for transactions to be deemed secure. But in today's day and age, we're making this video in 2022, we should have instant settlement, instant transfers, and stuff like that with all the same security. So we have to get there at some point, banks. Hopefully Synchrony will help others lead the way with this. Based on account type, customers can have the freedom to choose how to use the rewards, whether they wish to make a statement payment. So basically you get your bill every month, you use your cashback to pay part of your bill, or to make purchases from millions of retailers, or transfer those funds to a linked bank account or a debit card. And we gotta love this right here. The final bullet point, cashback for new customers for a limited time. New card customers will earn a one-time $100 cashback bonus on their first $500 spent. Translation, this is a 2% no-fee credit card that is going to now issue a sign-up bonus for the first time that I've seen in forever. Maybe there was one in the past before I was aware of it, but nonetheless, this PayPal card has not had a welcome bonus in a very long time, nor have a lot of other 2% cards. So the fact that Synchrony / PayPal will be bringing in the opportunity to earn $100 after spending $500, if you do exactly that, just spend $500, that's a 20% return. All right, then we got some more quotes there. Of course, I'll put the link to this press release down below in the description, so if you want to read the whole thing in its entirety, you're welcome to do so. We'll finish up with this final paragraph right here, which talks about what will happen if you already have this card in your wallet. So, existing eligible PayPal 2% cashback credit card holders, wow, that was a mouthful, will automatically be upgraded into the new 3% cashback card structure and can start earning higher cashback rewards wherever they use their card to check out with PayPal. The new PayPal cashback credit card will soon be available to select customers who can apply through the PayPal app and paypal.com, and will continue to roll it out in the coming weeks. So then they have some links here. Visit paypal.com/cashback for more information, followed by info about PayPal and Synchrony respectively down there. Media, contacts, all that types of stuff. More press release, PDFs, etc. So let's click on this link, paypal.com/cashback. By the way, that was great news for people who already have the card. You'll automatically get the new reward structure by default. You don't have to do anything, no new applications, no new hard pulls, none of that. To be determined about an opportunity to get a new welcome bonus, that's obviously for new first-time signups. But if you already have the card, my guess is there won't be a bonus, but you never know. We'll have to wait and see because we don't have an answer for that just yet. So right here is the new landing page. Earn 3% cashback on PayPal purchases and 2% on all other purchases. Very cool. Be one of the first to know when it's available. So right now there's a wait list that you can join. Let's see if there's anything else on here. There's the card design. Again, very simple design. No restrictions, no rotating categories, no annual fee, but yes to simplicity. A little more about the stuff we already discussed, 3%, 2%, okay, cool. Obviously that screenshot looked at the app there, very simple to look at your balances. There's no confusion there whatsoever. And here are some examples of brands that already accept PayPal for checkout. So we got eBay, Target, Apple, Nike, Hotels.com, Walmart, Best Buy, Overstock, the Home Depot, Wayfair, and of course many others too. So definitely when you are checking out online, doing your regular shopping, always look for the checkout or pay with PayPal option and just put that in the back of your head going forward. The more you see that option, the more you might realize, oh, well, I could be earning 3% cashback on this purchase. Do I have any other cards that would earn 3% or better at Best Buy, Target, eBay, Apple, etc.? If not, you might want to consider getting that PayPal card because again, PayPal as a payment option is becoming increasingly more common. Anything else here? Explore these valuable benefits. Redeem rewards without the wait. That's super cool. Scan in select stores to earn 3%. Yep, they use QR codes. Again, I'll show you the visual of that. You can also get purchase protection when you shop with PayPal. Here's the terms and limitations link if you want to read that. Peace of mind, 24/7 identity theft protection, tap and go, blah, blah, blah. Cool. Regular features that we have on most credit cards today, but good to know that they're not, skimping out on any of that. Some Q&As here at the bottom too. So if we go back to the top and click on Learn More. That should be, yep, here's the Join the Waitlist opportunity. So if you all want to join the waitlist to at least be informed when this card product becomes available to the masses, because right now it just says more details coming soon. So go ahead and join that list. I already did it myself off camera. Very simple process. You click on it, it'll have you then logged into your PayPal account to sync it all up, and then it will add you to the list. So definitely do that if you're interested in going for this card. And now for a few screenshots that I took on different experiences of how you can use PayPal with your everyday life. So here's one example that I took on Best Buy, adding a couple iPads to my cart and just going through the checkout sequence, and look at what comes up right here. PayPal checkout. So that's the button that you want to start paying attention to see which websites may or may not have it. And then that would, of course, represent all the opportunities that you would have to start earning 3% cash back on potentially a lot of different categories and shopping experiences that would earn 2% or lower on a lot of other cards. Second is to pay in store using the QR code. So here's a screenshot from my PayPal account, and up in the right hand corner you'll see the little QR code icon. So if you tap on that, you'll then be taken to this second screen here with a few options at the top. Scan. So for example, if you saw a QR code that says pay via PayPal, you can select scan. The camera would pop up. You can hover over it and then go through the prompts and check out from there. But if you instead want to pay where you show the QR code and they scan it at the register, you want to tap on show to pay. And it'll be a setup flow. If you have not done this before, it'll take you through a few prompts to add your credit card, add a balance, whatever you need to do. I've already done that. So once you've done the initial setup, then you'll tap on the Pay Now button right here. Mine was selected to first use my PayPal balance if I have any, then secondarily go to my credit card to cover any remaining balance. So you can, of course, choose that option whenever works best for you as well. Then upon tapping Pay Now, you will see your QR code followed by the regular barcode, the 2D version right below that. So whatever technology the register's set up with, if they can scan QR codes, that's great. Otherwise, you'll have your 2D barcode. Just show this to the cashier and they'll be able to scan it, and then through PayPal, your credit card, your balance, your debit card, whatever you have a link to it will then be charged. But of course, if you get the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, you want to link that card to your PayPal account. That will be guaranteed to earn your 3% using this payment method. Finally, we have the in-app option. So this is a screenshot from Grubhub. I was going through the order flow here, added a meal to my cart, $11.92 here. And if you tap the payment options, you'll see here, Venmo, Apple Pay, credit card, or PayPal. So yes, Grubhub and many others too also have PayPal as an option for their in-app purchases. Pay attention to that as well, because that will be another 3% opportunity. Now, if you ask me, this seems like a direct competitive approach against the Apple Card, which normally earns 1% on everything. However, 2% cash back on everything that you can use Apple Pay as your payment method for, but then 3% for select merchants. Again, if you choose Apple Pay as your payment method. So for PayPal to now say, hey, we'll give you some more cash back as well if you use our card product plus our payment method together, well, again, that's a similar positioning here as the Apple Card takes with its product and its partnerships. Which leads me to say this may become the new best 2% cashback credit card with no annual fee on the market today. We'll see. Of course, the card has not yet officially launched, so definitely get on the wait list if you're interested in this new product. And of course, if you already have the card itself, then just wait for the new revamped reward structure to be added to your card. Overall, though, I am very excited about this because now we can earn 2% as a guaranteed base earning rate on any purchase that we make. And then in a lot of places, a lot of merchants that are now accepting PayPal as a payment method, 3% also uncapped is going to be a highly rewarding card as long as it can possibly last, and hopefully it will last for a long time. So if you're excited too, let me know down below in those comments. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and some really big excitement for what is potentially going to become one of, if not the best, no-fee 2% cashback card, whether you want to use it as part of an overall card strategy or just a one-and-done simple card setup. I look forward to seeing you all again in future episodes, and while you're waiting on my next release, remember always that you are great.